If you're not investing, you're falling behind. That is the truth in 2025. But here's the good news. You don't need a lot of money, a finance degree, or a Wall Street mentor to get started. You just need the right mindset, a simple strategy, and a few smart tools. In this video, I am going to show you how to start investing the smart way in with $100 or less. Let's build your future, $1 at a time. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video about money, mindset, and financial freedom. Let's take control of your financial future starting now. Section 1. Why investing matters in 2025. The cost of living is up. Saving money in a bank won't make you rich. Inflation is slowly eating away at your cushion. The only way to fight back is by making your money grow. That's what investing does. It puts your money to work. Even if you're earning a small salary, investing consistently can lead to financial independence. Time and compound interest are your best friends, but only if you start now. Section 2. What beginners get wrong? Let's clear up a few myths. You don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need to pick the next Tesla or get lucky with crypto. And you definitely don't need to be an expert. The biggest mistake beginners make: waiting. Waiting until they have enough money. Waiting until the market looks better. Spoiler: there is no perfect time. The best time to start is right now. Section 3. What you need before you start. Here's what you do need. Emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. No high-interest debt. Pay off credit cards first. A long-term mindset. This isn't about quick flips. It's about building wealth over time. Once you have those basics covered, you're ready to invest. Section 4. Where to invest? Now, let's talk about where beginners should actually invest in 2025. Option 1. Index funds. These are low-cost diversified investments that track the entire market. Think S&P 500 ETFs like VU or SPY. They offer solid long-term returns with low fees. Option 2. Target date funds. Perfect if you want a hands-off strategy. Just choose the year you plan to retire, and the fund adjusts over time. Option 3. Apps like Betterment or Wealthfront create a custom portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Bonus: individual stocks not recommended for total beginners. But you can start learning by investing a small amount in companies you believe in. Section 5. How much do you need? Think you need thousands to start. Think again. You can start investing with $5 on apps like Acorns, or with $100 on platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. The key isn't how much, it's how consistently you invest. $50 a week may not sound like much, but compounded over time, it could make you a millionaire. Section 6. Automate and grow. Automation is your best friend. Set up auto deposits to your brokerage every payday. Reinvest your dividends to maximize compound growth. And most importantly, don't panic when the market dips. Investing is emotional, but successful investors stay the course. Here's the formula. Invest early plus invest often plus stay invested equals wealth. Section 7. Set a simple plan. Here's a basic plan you can follow. 20% of every paycheck goes to investments. Choose 1 or 2 index funds to start. Revisit your plan once every 6 months. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Final thoughts in 2025. The people who win with money aren't the ones chasing trends. They're the ones who start small, stay consistent, and let time do the work. So ask yourself, where could I be in 10 years? If I start today, drop a comment. I'm starting my investment journey in 2025. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. This is the year you stop watching others build wealth and start building your own.